Welcome to Photio Studio for product photos. Today, let's generate a background recommendation for your product by entering its description. Log in and click Background Generator on the dashboard. Upload a well-taken product photo or select a previously used one. After the background removal, adjust the product's position or size. Then, describe the product in detail on the left, including the target user, category, concept, etc. Click Generate to get the background recommendation. The result may take about 30 seconds. Enlarge and inspect the canvas. If unsatisfied, you can generate 4 more images. To modify the background, go to the Erase/Replace tab, color over the area you want to change, and then click Generate to erase it cleanly. If the product and background don't feel natural, click on either and adjust brightness or color in the Adjust section to improve realism. Ready to download? Select Format, choose Watermark Preference, and then download the photo. Let's generate using only the category without a detailed description. Let's see how the result differs. Short and ambiguous descriptions make it challenging for AI to specify the background, leading to low-quality outcomes. For better results, try describing the target user, concept, etc. in detail. Get all the product photos you want from Photio.